Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing well. I am Miss Sumaya and in today's video we will be studying about addition and subtraction within 1000. Okay, now this video has two parts. In part number 1, I will be discussing about how we can write addition equation and subtraction equation. Okay, so let's move on. Now, first of all, focus towards the addition equation. Okay, 7 plus 10 is equal to 17. Okay, this is the addition equation. 10 minus 7 is equals to 3. This is the subtraction equation. Now, a question that can come in our mind is, what is an equation? Okay, so let's focus first on what is an equation. Okay, an equation is a mathematical sentence that has two equal sides separated by an equal sign. Okay, you all know what is an equal sign, right? This is an equal sign. Okay, this sign is an equal sign. So what are they telling us? They are saying that an equation is a mathematical sentence that has two equal sides separated by an equal side. Okay, now this is equal sign, separated by an equal sign. Okay, so if we again focus on the addition equation, what I can see here is, I know that 7 plus 10 is equal to 17, right? This is the left side of the equation, right? This is the left side of the equation, and I know that on the right side of the equation, here we have the right side of the equation. I know that on the right side of the equation 17 is written. Okay, so the left side is equal to right side, and I know that both of these sides are separated by an equal sign. This is what an equation is called as. Okay, when the two sides, they are separated by an equal sign, this makes up an equation. Okay, now a question can also come in our mind, that what is an equal sign? Okay, so now let's read the definition of an equal sign. Equal sign means that the value that is present on left side is equal to the value present on the right side. Okay, now here if I focus, the value that I have here, 7 plus 10, this is the left side, it is equal to 17. Okay, and here the value that I have on the right side, it is equal to 17, right? So I know that both of these values are same. This is what an equal sign tells us about. An equal sign actually tells us about equality. Okay, so here it is showing the equality between the left side and the right side, right? So this is what an equal sign tells us, and this is how an equal sign looks like. Okay, this is how the plus sign or an addition sign looks like. Okay, this is how a plus sign or an addition sign looks like, and this is how the minus sign or the subtraction sign looks like. Okay, now we will move towards how can we form the set of addition equations and subtraction equations. Okay, let's move on. Here first of all I have a set of addition equations. Now see, here I have written 15 plus 5. I know that it is equal to 20. Now in the second part, what I did is, I have simply interchanged the position of 15 with 5. Okay, here I have written 5 first and then I have written 15. But I know that answer will be same. Answer will be 20. Okay, even if you write 15 plus 5, you get 20, and if you write 5 plus 15, you get 20. Okay, so this is telling us that we can write addition equations in different ways. Okay, we can make a set of addition equations, a family of addition equations. Okay, but if I focus towards the subtraction equation, I cannot follow this rule. Why I cannot follow? See, okay, let's focus on subtraction equations. See, first example that I have written here is 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. Okay, this is the correct way. But if I will interchange the positions of 10 and 20 with each other, and I first write 10 and then I write minus 20 is equal to 10, then this is wrong. Okay? Why it is wrong? Because whenever we are subtracting, or whenever we are, writing a subtraction equation, the greater number always comes first, and after that we write the smaller number. Okay, it is, you can consider it is like we are taking out the smaller number from the greater number. Okay, this actually means that we are taking out the smaller number from the greater number. But if I will write 10 minus 20, so this actually means that I am taking out 20 from 10. I cannot do that, because 10 itself, the value of 10 itself is smaller as compared to 20. Okay, so in the case of subtraction equations, we cannot interchange the two numbers together. Okay, but we can do that in the case of addition equations. Okay, we can do this here. Now we will move towards the second part of our video, in which we will be discussing how to solve the word problems that involve addition and subtraction. Okay? Okay, now observe these keys. Okay, I know that they're a bit rusty. Please ignore that. Okay, now just focus on my voice. Zara has 5 keys. Hina has 5 keys more. Okay, now if I ask you that how many keys do they have altogether, so what you're going to do, you will simply add 5 plus 5. Okay, altogether means collective, it means the sum. Okay, it actually means something, it actually means collection of or collective of something. Okay, so if I say that Zara has 5 keys, Hina has 5 keys, how many keys do both of them have all together? Okay, so you will simply add 5 with 5 and it makes 10. Okay, so you will write both of them have 10 keys all together. Okay, that was about addition. Now let's focus towards subtraction. If I say Zara has 10 keys, she gave 2 keys away to her younger sister. How many keys are left with Zara now? So what you're going to do, since I have taken out 2 keys, okay, since they have said that she gave 2 keys away, so I have taken out 2 keys away. Now how many keys are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 keys are left. So Zara has 8 keys. Okay, this is how you will solve it. Okay, now I can give you one more example. Let's consider this example. Zara has 10 keys. Her mother took away 3 keys from her. Okay, how many keys are left? Now you will count how many keys are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 keys. So you will say Zara has 7 keys, or 7 keys are left now. Okay? Okay, now let's focus on these word problems. Here it is written, Sarah has 20 pencils. Ahmed has 10 pencils. How many pencils do they have all together? Okay, so how are you going to solve it? Since Sarah has 20 pencils, I will write 20 here. Okay, and Ahmed has 10 pencils, I will write 10 here. Okay, now they are asking at the end, how many pencils do they have all together? Okay, all together again, What does altogether means? It means collective of something, okay, or a collection of something, or a sum of something. So this means that I have to add both of them. So I will add, I will put a plus sign in between. Okay, so 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. This is how our addition equation looks like. Okay, now we will move towards another example. Anna has 40 candies. She gave 32 candies to, sorry, 2 is missing, to her classmates. How many candies does Anna have? Okay, since Anna has 40 candies, I will write 40 here. She gave 32 candies to her classmates. I will write 32 here. Okay. Now, as they're saying in line number 2 and sorry, sentence number 2 and sentence number 3, that she gave 32 candies to her classmates. She gave it away. And how many candies does Anna have? So this means, will I put a plus sign here? No, I will not put a plus sign here. Can I see the word altogether? Or the word of sum, or anything that actually means a collection, or some something collective of? No, I cannot see that. So obviously I will not put the plus sign here, as here they are saying that she gave 32 candies. She gave 32 candies to her classmates. And how many candies does Anna have now? So I know that I will put minus sign here. So 40 minus 32 is equal to 8. Okay, so this is now how our subtraction equations looks like. Okay, I hope it's clear to all of you and you all do not have any confusion. Okay, Jazakallah, Allah Hafiz.